Let's go speedly a little bit. Oh my god, wow!
Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Come closer, I wanna tell you a secret, just come. I live my freedom here. I don't worry, I don't do anything, I don't follow the rules. Because I know that it's all fake. Unbelievable! Anyway, let's talk about the bike. Do you call it electric bike? Some people do call it Canadian bike. I call it electric bike, okay? It's 26-inch wheel. It's 37 kilogram. Can you imagine this? It's really heavy. I know because battery, motor, etc. The brake system is hydraulic. It's cost me $1,700. Speed can reach 60. With one full charge, you can go 60 kilometers. Motor power 750 watts. Here, guys, you can see different bikes. You know, it's according to the price. As much as price is more high, as much as the motor power can be more. You can reach 1000 watts, and I hear that there is bike 1500 watts. This will be beast. My bike that I'm going to show you now, that I'm gonna unbox together, can climb 30 angle degree. 30 only. The bike that she's 1500 watts, she can climb 50. You got me? Even 30, that's it. I need it in city here. I will not go with her in mountains and climb mountains. You got me? Or hills. Hills have ice. The battery capacity is 620 hertz, and I charge it from 0 to full in within 6 hours. The full battery charge. So let's go unbox it together and see what is there. But guys, before we go no further, please don't forget to subscribe, because you know, guys, I see my subscribers, it's too low. I'm too sad. Okay guys, here is the box. By the way, it's so huge. See? It's big box, you know, and it's like 31 kilo. Over. This is like 35 kilo box. I don't know how much post would take for this. Let's do some hairstyle.
Yeah, great.
Okay. Oh, wow. Guys, it's look selection. Here we have free air bumper. Can you imagine this? We will see the details later. Here, see? They give me free air bumper. Wow, counter and air, and looks nice. Okay, keep it here. This looks holder, as you guys see. Okay. Here, user manual. This is so important to how to connect it, how to do. Okay. This is standard. As you guys see, standard with tools. See, this is the standard here, and this is the tools. How to connect it. Nice. Oh la la. This is file. This is file and have keys. See guys? This is multi keys, you know. And it's completely tools. See? The electric cable. Metal here. Okay. English key, and this is the charger for itself. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, that's cool. Wow, guys, battery is 8 kilo minimum. Oh la la. I have extra keys to turn on and off. This is cool. But the cool thing that how I can keep this battery outside, that anyone can come and steal it. See guys? Anyone can steal this battery. Oh my god, just battery itself, it's so heavy. Oh, I don't know. It's kinda dangerous to do this. Especially in such a country like Ukraine. Ukraine here, they will steal you when you are with the bike. This is backpack, not backpack, this is, you can put it behind, as I show you the picture. Nice. It's with scotch. First thing, they're gonna steal it here. Even while I ride, you know. All this, too bad that I can't enjoy it here. The chair! And this is for your balls. That, look, you go, look. Oh, they give me locker. This is super. Honestly, they give you things. Honestly, they give you everything. What you need else? To be honest with you, they are still missed giving you rider, you know. Pedals. Oh my god, even I have to connect these pedals. Ah! Okay guys, I put out it finally. I was need extra help, sure. I couldn't put out it from box, it's too heavy. As you see here, it looks really luxury bike, to be honest with you. I mean bicycle. See, I have flashlight. I don't know how I can connect it, to be honest with you. I have no background. But let's try. Guys, I'll try now the speed, okay? I don't know what is the speed actually. I looked at the screen, but I can't drive with one hand. But it's really so beast, guys. It's so beast bike. But the only things, as I say you, the wheel, this wheel, see guys, it's brand new, see? Press brakes, I don't know why it should do the sound, look. Only front brakes, you know? See? What's the sound? Looks so stupid. And number two, guys, what I'm talking about, this wheel. It looks cheap kind, you know? I feel that any kind of bike is gonna scratch it inside. Let's get back to road. Because actually, my friends wait me beside home. Let me just show you. It's really so speedy. See guys, I don't have to even to press speed, you know. Oh my god, I can't control. I will stop recording. Okay, here's the final result for the like bike. As you see guys, it looks so amazing. Honestly, it's grabbing so much attention. Everyone's staring at her. Guys, it's speedy as fuck. You know, I reached 40 and I'm about to fly. Need nice roads, not like roads in Ukraine here, trash. I can't reach 60 speed. It's kinda, you know, it's kinda impossible. Here is the disc. See guys, it's doing color. I don't know why. Look to the back disc here. Doesn't have color, doesn't have anything. But here, the disc here is doing color. It could be from the brakes here, it could be from disc. Anyone know something about this? Because actually this is my first bike I ever bought in my life. No, I always have bike when I'm a kid. But honestly, something like this I never had. The chair is hurt. To be honest with you guys, my ass hurt me so much. But generally it's great. As you see, it's beautiful bike. Also, it's cost $1,700. It's not less. This is not cheap, but totally it's amazing bike. And let's get ride. I'll try to ride it now while I'm recording. Guys, it's gonna be hard, but let me do. I'll try to do now. See, it's with one hand. It's hard to ride, but see, let's go speedily a little bit. Oh my god, wow, guys, it's taking off so fast. I mean, it's amazing. Oh, by the way guys, I want to show you something. Tell me, what is this? Wait, did you hear the sound? This is the sound. What's this assistant here? Assistant 4, 5, 6 on assistant 1, 2, 3. I don't know what is this, honestly. I know this is kilometer, this is motor power, how much he give, this is degree, this is time, how much I ride, I mean, until now. And this is time, flash and battery. Okay, see, we have different here, kilometer. I don't know. So anyone guys know something, tell me please. Okay guys, my final conclusion about all this, it's nice bike. I must say something, it's not bad. This bike called like Bike Thorn, as you guys see. But this is holder, you got me? This is the holder from behind. I tied it so well, but when I go in, for example, in off-roads, you know our roads in Ukraine here, it's not roads, it's off-roads. We don't have roads. All time he do tak 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 tak, he beat tak 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 tak. He play like this, you got me? It's not fixed. I don't know what should I do. I tied it so well, but he play. He play and beat the body. I thought it's gonna be fixed. Okay, this is number one. I didn't like this. Number two, as you guys see the brakes, how it's doing the sound, I don't know what the hell is this. Maybe I'll exchange the spike, or do you change from a tire or brakes, I don't know. It's brand new. Number three, this air bumper that they give me. Guys, I don't know what is this. It's not enter. I tried hard. I tried so hard, but not so hard. In the end, it doesn't really matter. Linking part 5 minutes. Okay, it's beautiful. I not say anything. This looks nice quality and everything, but guys, it's not fit. I tried to full air in wheels. It's not working. So why you give it to me, guys? It's impossible. This air bump for bicycle. This is for what? I don't know. Maybe for balloons, for birthday. By the way, you have to be careful because they write in the battery that this battery cannot be under 0 degree, which is meaning Canada or this Russia and countries that cold so much like this. This battery is in winter under 0 degree. They say don't use it because she will get down. She will not get up again. She will not charge. And they say plus 40 can't be, which is mean countries like Emirat, Qatar and Kuwait and these countries that is hell have ice there, you also cannot use this bike. And in Emirat, sure you can't use this bike because if you stay under sun 5 minutes there in Qatar, they will take you to hospital with your bike there. So anyway guys, the things that I object about the air bumper, screw air bumper, this holder, screw this holder, also not important, but tire looks so cheap quality. You know when I knock in the tire, it not looks fat tire, it looks thick tire, you know. That which is mean any spike, anything, and it's tubeless, you got me? It's directly, and I will take her to home by walking, you know. Take me to church, buy for me Mercedes Porsche. Any others, honestly, it's beast bike. I just pressed like gas, it's go. By the way guys, I forget to mention something so important. Chair is hurting my ass so much. I have feeling that when I ride 5 minutes, I feel that I done operation. Guys, it's hurt so much. When I saw this chair, I thought it's really comfortable, you got me? No, it's hurt. I need to buy this underwear that have support and it looks so stupid. And now it's weather summer, you know, it's hot here in Ukraine. I cannot buy this underwear, you know, I can't handle it. It's really hot. So should I wear bumpers? Got you up. No, I'm just a kidding. So guys, this is all about this bike. If you need anything, just write for me, comment down below. If you want me to buy for you one and send it to you in your country, I can do it for you if you like this bike. It's so easy. And I asked the boss here, they said that we can deliver it anywhere in the world with $150, I guess, delivery, something like this. So anyway guys, love you all. Peace and love and money for every one of you. And I know you want money more than peace and love. I got you. Peace.